All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:54 on the morning of June 8th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So, let's see here real quick. Let me make a couple changes here to my computer. There we go. All right. Today, the title of the video is More Consolidation. So here we go. Let me get rid of some of these marks here. We'll put some new ones on there soon. So what we have here is this consolidation range that's been in place now for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I'm going to call it 6 days because, let's see, the 27th of May kind of got us to this range. And then, so since the 31st of May up until yesterday, the 7th, we've been in this range. It's just kind of popped up and then stuck here. And actually, something else that's a little bit interesting is if you take a look here, this could be. I'm not real big on this formation because I've actually only seen it a couple of times, and it wasn't a part of this formation. This chart pattern isn't a part of really any literature that I've studied since I started trading in 2006. And it's called an island reversal. And so, what the possibility is here, this is the legend goes that here we have this sort of pop up, right? And then essentially what would satisfy this pattern is if, say, tomorrow or the day after that or the day after that, whatever, we get this big sort of, you see this gap here. So that it gapped up between the 26th of May and the 27th of May, and it's formed what could be this island top. And so then if we get an open, say it's tomorrow, and we get an open and it's down here, I should make that red. Then it's made this formation of an island top, and it's a reversal pattern that I've seen a couple people mention. I don't put any weight on it. I just figured I'd point it out. I don't know. I think if we gap down, it's bearish. It's that simple. If we break out of this range and go higher, it's bullish. I don't really like to read too much into the patterns, really. The minutia, the small movements, they don't really matter that much. It's sort of the bigger, being in line with the bigger trend and making sure that you jump on the candle that's gonna be the best ride. There's a system, there's a process. Everybody has their own. I'm not going to go into mine, but that's basically the deal. So. Until otherwise, this has a lot of work to do. There's definitely a downtrend here, and there's a lot of work for the Qs tech to do in order to get out of this pattern. And I don't really see anything in the foreseeable future to change this pattern. This is looking to me very much like it's a new higher low or lower high. It would be kind of, it's my guess, and to see it open up, to see it gap down on an open, sometime this week or next week, it wouldn't surprise me to see it happen. The VIX is still elevated. I've got a 23.20 for the bottom end of the VIX. If it starts pushing the bottom end of the VIX down here, then that ought to be a decent spot to start entering some shorts. So, yeah, And yeah, it's the VIX has come down past this little trend line that I put in not long ago. Just completely ignored it. You're not supposed to chart the VIX, and so yeah, I didn't use that as an indicator at all for an entry. Here's another bottom support area down here, but who knows? We could be in this consolidation range for months. I don't think it would be quite this tight. I mean, this is only, let's see, from top to bottom, 304 to 314. This is only really like a 10-point range right here, this consolidation area. I mean, that's tiny. So, but what could end up happening is that for quite some time, we're stuck in this range. And that's just kind of the way things could work for a while. I don't think it will. I think that we'll get resolution to this range, I'd say within the next 10 business days. We ought to know whether we're going up or down again. And then work with it from there. For the time being, yeah, I'm just sitting tight, waiting for a break up or a breakdown. All right, everybody. That is my pre-market strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am